Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to one and all. I hope naririnig niyo ako kasi if hindi niyo ako naririnig, then I'll do this again. Okay, first and foremost is welcome to Introduction to Programming. Ito, magtuturo ako ng programming. This is not basic. I am not a god in programming. So, if gusto niyo ng mas malalim na mga topics, I'm sure you already know who yung mga gods sa programming natin. Patulong na lang. Okay, so let's first start. This video is to help others. For those nga walang background. I also have no background. Last week ko lang to ginawa. But I'll just share my knowledge, my general knowledge. First and foremost, CodeBlocks is an IDE. I don't know the meaning of IDE pa. I can't remember it. Pero it helps us program. So, there are three things that is most important to download in order for at the end of the day yung goal natin is WX widgets to be installed in code block. So, itong tatlo yung important, which is WX widgets are, please remember na 3.1.3 yung hinahanap natin, not 3.1.4, not because it is currently unstable or maybe di siya gumana. So, let's download 3.1.3. Okay, next is let's go to CMake GUI. What's CMake GUI? Well, from the Wix widgets, we will use this in order to convert files in order for them to become release or debug, which we will later use in code blocks. Pero wag lang muna yan. Medyo yun yung complicated na part when installing. Let's just focus more on the setting up of your code blocks. Let's open up code blocks. Okay, sorry also for the background noise. Walang consent. Nag-video lang ako agad. Okay, so this will be your default open tab or default open application kumbaga. When you open code blocks, it will look like this. Now, in order for you to create a new project, simply go to file. Sana nakikita niyo. Wait, let's make my mouse clear. Let's go to, in order for you, wait, oh my gosh, spotlight. Okay, in order for you to create a new project, simply go to files, then select new, tapos punta kayo sa project. Okay, so here in project, you will have multiple um, projects or categories that you can select. Tapos, on our course, we are actually going to be using console application. In console application, there will be a selection C or C++. Given that we are going to be learning C++, we will be using those. Now for the project title, in our course, the homework, especially for homework number 1, it is your family name. Mine is Luz dash project 1. Now that will, if it's already in default, you will see this, it will autofill the project file name and then the resulting file name, and in the folder to create project, and if it is blank on your side, please simply press this button and find where you will be locating your folder. Next is, I chose mine to be in project, in program projects. That's my default folder for mine, and simply press next. A project with the same file name already exists, blah blah blah, are you sure? No, let's change it into 2 because I've already done this project. Okay, next is, this is, when you first see it, it's quite complicated, but don't worry, that is simply already in default, so don't touch any of those. Press finish. When you press finish, it will show up on your right side this management form. Okay, you press loose. Minsan kasi ganito yung lumalabas. So what you do is simply press your file, then go to source, then mains.ccp. Now, in code blocks, the default for C++ is this form, where where you simply press F9. Dapat yung lalabas is this in your command. Hello world. Okay? So let's press X. Now, to make things more complicated, dito tayo e-enter ng uninstalling WX widgets. Okay? Pero I'll make another video because it will be very long. I don't want long videos. Pero, ito naman yung parang tip ko lang if you're using code blocks and you're not using Visual Studios. Kasi sa Visual Studios, you have the dark theme. Simply go to settings, go to compiler. I know, hindi pala. Settings, editor, and then lalabas to. You will go to syntax and highlighting, and then go to default. Tapos dito, foreground, you press white. Okay? For the background naman, you press black. That, my friends, you will have a dark themed, yeah, dark themed code blocks. Pero yung downside lang nito is you can't find the text line kung saan siya because it's also black. And I don't know kung ano yung tawag dyan. So if may alam dyan, please chat na lang kung anong pangalan in order for you to change the settings tapos makikita natin. So that's the downside of it. Okay, so next video will be about how to install Wix widgets.